What's up, what's up, what's up? Bonsoir, bonjour, bonsoir, depending on where you are. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. In this video, I will be showing my new updated washing routine. And I will be using the 22nd Century shampoo bar and the Vita Good scalp massaging. To start up, I will be separate my hair into sections. I went ahead and wet my hair. I will be using the Vita Good scalp massage. I only use it depending on how I'm feeling that day. I have it for a while, for like maybe 3 years. I watched a video and they were saying how good it is for your scalp, and it promotes hair growth. So I got it, and combining it with the 22nd Century that actually really clean your scalp, and I thought like this will be awesome. This clean my scalp thoroughly and give me a hair growth. I don't know. In this bowl, I have the MAYI Shea Butter Dip Mask, and I added extra shea butter on it just because when I was reading the ingredient, shea butter was the last ingredient in it. So I thought like, how am I gonna get benefit if the shea butter was the last ingredient? So I went ahead and add more shea butter in it, and then apply it to my hair. Surprisingly, it actually was really good. My curls really melted, my kinks. They melted, and it was really moisturizing. I liked it. Anyways, I already did the other side, and now I'm just showing you how I finished this side. I also start using a cutting scissors, hair cutting scissors, while I'm deep conditioning, because as I'm putting the product to my hair, I always find knots, and it's easier for me to take the knots out if I just cut them off. Um, yeah. My camera died after while I was recording, so I wasn't able to show you guys a final look of how my hair look after the deep conditioning. But after that, I went ahead and put my hair in twist, and like you can see, my son is literally laying my edges. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Subscribe if you want. Like if you want. Thank you. Bye. Try again.
Uh-oh. Mommy, try again?
Yeah.
My hair.
Okay. Come my hair.
Rishi, get it on Steven. Stephen. You're probably gonna turn right now and take the virus. Okay?
Okay. All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.